Hi, my name is Santosh Kumar Bari, and today I am going to talk about e-commerce. What is e-commerce? Let's go to the next slide and let's explore about e-commerce. E-commerce, electronic commerce is the activity of electronically buying or selling of products on online services or over internet. Electronic commerce draws on technologies such as electronic fund transfer, supply chain management, internet marketing, online transaction processing, electronic data interchange, inventory management system, and automated data collection system. E-commerce is in turn driven by the technological advance of the semiconductor industry and is the largest sector of the electronic industry. E-commerce types. There are basically six types of e-commerce businesses: business to business, business to customer, customer to customer, customer to business, business to administration, customer to administration. As you can rightly see in the diagram, these are the types of e-commerce businesses. Let's go to the next slide. Know about business to business. Business to business, the sale of goods or services between businesses by an online sales portal. In general, it is used to improve the efficiency of effectiveness of a company's sales efforts. Example, an automobile manufacturer makes several business to business transactions such as buying tires, glasses or windows and rubbers for its vehicle. The final transition of finishing vehicles should sold to the customer is a single business to C transaction, but it buys different items from different business houses and assemble it and make a final product for the customer. So this type of business is called business to business, and as you can see, rightly see from the diagram also, business to business means doing business between two different business houses. Thank you. Business to customer, B2C. This is used to describe a commerce transaction between a business and an end customer. The term refers to the process of selling products directly to the customer, including shopping in stores and eating in restaurants. Example, this refers to the process of selling to individual customers directly, like different food chains, online travel websites like Expedia and Trivago, etc., etc. Customer to customer. This is the business model that facilitates commerce between private individuals, whether it is for goods or services. This category of e-commerce contains people to do business with another one. For example, this refers to the process of selling individual to individual like eBay, Amazon, etc., etc. Customer to business. Customer to business is another type of e-commerce type. Customer to business is a business model in which customer create value and business consume that value. For example, this include customer reviews, participation in focus groups, or sharing as an influencer. Someone who has his or her own audiences and the ability to influence what that audience buys or does. You can see it in different portals, like customers are giving reviews after buying such products that product is good or bad, or how many stars they are giving to that product. These are the things by which another customer buys the product of that business. So this is called customer to business, C2B. Thank you. Business to administration. This is when a business provides an online service for the government, generally through an website, For example, a company that provides services to the government like software solutions and public access to the government services for permitting, planning, licensing, public health, and so on. This is called business to administration. Thank you. Customer to administration. Customer to administration is the sixth type of e-commerce which we are doing. The customer to administration model encompasses all electronic transactions conducted between individual and public administration. For example, this includes education, disseminating information, distance learning, etc. In social security, through the distribution of information, making payments, etc. In taxes, filing taxes, returns, payments, etc. So these are the 6 points. These are the 6 points. These are the 6 types of e-commerce which we are doing. So I hope you love it and you will have some you learn something from this video. और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा होगा और आप जो भी आपका एक्सपीरियंस होगा इस वीडियो के दौरान प्लीज़ कमेंट बॉक्स में डालिए और लाइक और शेयर कीजिए एज मच एज पॉसिबल टू एनकरेज अस. थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वाचिंग.